Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect coconut margarita like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Today we will start by rimming the glass with desiccated coconut. So take a glass of about 10 ounces, and first press it on the sponge to coat with lemon juice, and then slowly move it on the coconut to create a beautiful rim on the glass. Perfect. Now take a mixing glass and pour all the ingredients. So start with 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of tequila. After tequila, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of Cointreau. Next pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lime mix. After the lime mix, pour the same amount of simple syrup. Lastly pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of coconut milk. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Carefully add 8 to 10 ice cubes into the glass. Now strain the mixture. I will be happy if you make this beautiful cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. The coconut margarita cocktail is ready, so now we will garnish it with a fresh lemon slice. Cheers! Have a great weekend! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.